Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Brat Brings Gun to School and Gets Her Entire Family Arrested.
What are you yelling about? You know way.
Your arm's too big. You gonna catch a stroke. You got high blood pressure doing all that yelling.
Don't touch me!
You can't bring a gun to school, baby cakes. That's not how it works.
Our sergeant's
I want a white shirt out here. You can't go nowhere. I'm not getting detained.
You guys keep walking, you're gonna get detained.
Speaking of high blood pressure, she already got something on her goddamn arm. Y'all seen that on the thing right now? She was giving plasma.
Stop walking. Okay. Detain her. Let's detain her.
Oh, she fighting the cops. Oh, they fighting the cops. Oh.
Okay, well, you're gonna be on the ground real quick.
Like, really?
Big baby, chill.
What do you
Fuck out of me.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't give a fuck what my child done, right or wrong. Yeah, it's gonna be like this too. It is what it is.
get back?
No, you get the back.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck about you.
Sweet.
Ooh.
You a pig. Get the fuck off me.
Go.
Yeah, she would have had it me because I would have been like oink oink all up in her motherfucking face.
Pig.
Okay, sweet. Thank you.
You a pig.
Sweet.
What's
Thank
up? What's up?
you. Exactly.
What the fuck you wanna do? You ain't doing shit.
Okay.
Don't
Oh.
put your motherfucking hands on me.
Okay. We'll play.
I don't give a fuck. Y'all ain't gotta put me there. Y'all ain't gotta put no. You ain't gotta put me there. You ain't gotta put me there.
You just pushed the car, babe. What you thought was gonna happen?
I'm gonna
I
put
don't
you.
give I don't give a fuck. What the- I'm proud of you.
They got a problem right there, though.
Thank
You a pig. God gonna get your. I promise you, Jesus Christ. You go to church every motherfucking day. You a pig.
If you go to church every day, why is you acting like this? Like, if your grandbaby, daughter, grandchild, whoever this is to you, then did some stupid shit, they need to learn their lesson. But you sitting there acting like this is okay. She was in her right to bring a gun to school. Both of y'all going to jail. It's that simple.
Well, that's sort of cool.
I don't give a f. Don't touch me.
You're gonna stop.
I don't give a f. I don't give a f.
Champagne. Where the fuck is champagne at?
Stop.
Campaign?
Don't stop pulling me.
Then
Stop
walk.
pulling me.
Get in
I'm walking. Take these cuffs off. I swear to God. Take these motherfucking cuffs off. Take these cuffs off. I'm gonna beat your.
You a woman. You is not finna do too much to a man. A cop at that. I'm sorry. It's just not gonna happen.
My dead baby, I'm gonna beat you. Take these cuffs off.
Let that baby rest in peace.
You better handle me nice. I got Mom and Law from Chicago, lawyer, baby. You better handle me motherfucking nice. I got Mom and Law lawyer. They go,
I don't even know what the fuck that is.
I got Mom and Law,
Okay.
Chicago,
I don't know what that
Chicago,
means, but okay.
Chicago lawyer.
Okay, go ahead, hop in.
You better handle me motherfucking nice.
Go ahead and hop in. Thank you. I appreciate it.
She really hopped in.
Put your arms.
Damn, they still ain't arrest her.
Put your arms behind your back.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Put your arms behind your back.
They do need to get off that piece of wood, though.
Stop touching me. I can't breathe.
You're good. Breathe.
I pray to God my child never do no shit like this where she thinks she gotta bring a gun to school to make a point. Cause your life finna be hell, baby. You just don't know it.
On your side. Stop it. Do not kick. Let's get her. Don't kick.
Oh, that's an assault on a Leo.
Now you're going for battery to PO. Hey, get a hobble.
I can't wait for somebody to say assault on a Leo and they be like, I don't even like Leos. I hate them in the zodiac.
Yeah, we need a hobble. Stop doing what you're doing. How about that?
Being on that log like that can't be fun though. That shit gotta be painful.
Thank you, guys. Because she's kicking us.
But she just kicked.
She's not kicking
No
no more.
more. She should have been kicking in the first place.
And stop tensing up. Relax. Relax and we'll stop. Stop kicking.
She gotta have ADHD.
Roll her onto her side. We've got her legs. Roll her onto her side. Let me get a hobble. Yeah, we're getting her a hobble.
She might have to get hog tied. She keep backing up. I know them ants tearing her stomach up.
Stop kicking.
The more you yell, get the fuck off me, you scream, and you do all this dumb shit and you tension up, the longer you finna stay on that ground. I don't know why her family not telling this. Maybe they don't care about her enough. I don't know.
Y'all hurting me on some real ass. Y'all hurting me.
Okay.
Y'all hurting me for real. Y'all hurting me. Why I'm on the ground? Why is I'm on the ground? Y'all hurting me. Can y'all put my shoes on?
Yeah, we will.
All right, thank y'all. Put my shoes on, please. Can y'all put my shoes on?
Yep.
Yeah, when they gotta put that on you, baby, it's bad.
Stop kicking. It's over now, okay? You're gonna get hurt. Please don't get hurt.
Ain't nobody getting hurt. Y'all on me.
Hey, you gotta stand up.
I'm trying to.
How the fuck she gonna walk though? I want to see this.
Hell no.
Can we cut her down? Not yet. No, you know.
They didn't want to call y'all.
Let's stand up.
No,
Stand
I'm
up.
not standing up.
Yeah, you are. You got to stand
I'm not
up.
standing up.
You have to.
Your mom, whoever in the background doing all that yelling, talk about get her off the ground, get her off the ground. Now you don't want to stand up. Make up your motherfucking mind.
I'm not standing up. But carry me. Y'all some strong men. Please carry me. Yeah. Y'all want to do all that. Y'all might want to carry her to the fucking job.
I don't want you to get hurt.
Y'all already returned to me. Carry me.
Can we please arrest the lady in the background, please?
Carry me.
Stand up.
Hell no.
Come on.
Hell no.
Have some
Hell
self-respect.
no.
Stand up.
Hell
Have
no.
some self-respect. Stand up.
No. No.
Let's go. Let's lift her up.
Look at this motherfucker right here. Look at it. Going to work. Motherfuckers doing this shit to me. Wow, G. Too many motherfuckers. Yeah, they gonna run around me. I'm smarter than y'all.
You're not smarter because any smart person wouldn't bring a gun to a fucking school. That is a federal offense.
Yeah, y'all finna take
I think in most states. I'm not sure if it's a federal offense in all states, but it's the dumbest shit you can do.
my identity too.
We'll get back to you.
Y'all want me to. Y'all want to grab me. That's my pocket knife.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're not gonna have that anymore.
It don't matter. I can go to my county jail, whatever, and get my back. What's wrong with y'all? You don't make no sense. Move! No, get off me! Get the
And she's still gonna keep cooking.
Get the
But look at the family though. I mean, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. So I mean, if this is how her family acts, and this is what's gonna go on,
off me! Get the off me! You think
boy, my mama would have been whooping my ass for me acting like that. They probably would have had to arrest my mama for whooping my ass while I'm in handcuffs acting a damn fool. Boy, my mama would have tore her foot so far in my ass. That's what's missing these days though. Just good old ass whoopings.
Stand up.
And then my great grandma was alive. She would have been like, "Oh, you want to do that when you get out of jail? Go pick a switch."
I got it.
That's got to be really bad when you got to get carried out like that, bro.
Get off me.
See, I'm so childish. If they would have carried me like that, I would have been like, I'm a pony.
You see how they put him in the car?
Yep.
Like a goddamn hot dog wiener.
Don't put me in the car like that. Do not put me in the car like that.
You had a choice.
Do not put me in the car like that.
That's gonna be so bad. Oh man, I'm gonna cry.
Do not put me in the car like
I
that.
asked you to stand up. You said no.
I believe I can fly.
Do not put me in the car like that. Do not put me in the car like that. Do not put me in the car like that.
Are they gonna lay her on her side, like in between the seat and the little thing that protect them? Oh, that's gonna be so fucking funny if they do her like that. No, it's not, but it is.
I got it.
All this to go to jail.
Stop it.
Listen, you're gonna.
I don't care.
No, you want me to come to you?
Y'all hurt me.
Would I be able to help you better? I might be able to fit in
Yeah.
there.
Y'all hurt me. Go ahead.
We got to get somebody that's strong at doing these with the bar. You know them?
Might as well kill me. Might as well
I'm a
kill
little
me.
bit more.
Might as well kill me.
Smaller, cause you fat.
Might as well kill me. Might as well kill me. Might as well fucking kill me. Might as well fucking kill me. Might as well.
Oh, another assault. Now you got to get the little thing on your face, and then you can just spit on yourself.
We got it here. I got it.
Give my phone to my sister. What?
When you're ready.
Get off me.
This got to be the worst teenager I've ever seen on a body cam. Jesus Christ, babe.
Get off me then. You know y'all going this way. Looking at.
Look, little cousin gonna be like, look how you was acting back in 2022. Look, I got it right here.
I'm looking at you.
What's up?
What?
What's up?
Why are you acting like this?
Cause I don't have a gun.
She probably got a little health disorder, a little mental health disorder,
Okay, but wait, listen. Why are you
little ADHD with a little bipolar.
acting like this?
that and save yourself a trip to
Hell no, I couldn't tell y'all that because y'all was coming up on me.
Man, you could have saved yourself a trip to jail. You could have saved yourself all these charges that you about to get. Like, this shit crazy. This finna really fuck up your life. McDonald's ain't gonna even be able to want to work with you. I mean, hire you because you can't control your motherfucking attitude.
But we had to talk to you. We had to address the situation. We were.
My business time.
Listen.
If you want to talk to me, come right here.
I'm gonna talk to you through this right
I'm
now.
not listening.
Okay, let me.
I'm not listening.
Are you a child? I'm not gonna talk to you.
She is, literally.
No matter. Are you an old bitch? Yeah, you an old pig. You think that shit hurt me?
And this right here tells you that her family has grown up, has raised her to hate the cops. And at the end of the day, cops are people. Like, you, if you talk to them all fucked up, they gonna talk to you fucked up. If you talk to them, you know what I'm saying, with sense, and you just chilling, they be on some chill shit. They gonna laugh with you. In some cases, you got cops that are just complete assholes. They're racist. They're all of the above. They're the worst of the worst. But every cop is not like that. So you can't just go out and treat every single cop like that. You get what I'm saying? Like, you got some really good guys on both sides, on the illegal side and the legal side. But it takes a smart person to understand that. A dumb motherfucker with no sense is going to try to treat all the cops the same. And when they run their profile, they going to say, hey, look, this motherfucker whoop-de-whoop. And then that's when all the cops going to get to doing stupid shit to your dumb ass because you don't know how to handle yourself. You got to be a master of your emotions and your thoughts and how you come off, because acting like that shit just going on your file, and this every time somebody pull you over, that's the first thing they gonna see.
Hell no, they don't. All that trying to be.
They'll literally be driving behind you, because I've seen this happen to my homeboy. They'll literally be driving behind you, and just from your past, they'll type your shit in, see that you got this, that, going on, and just fuck with you for no reason.
Little me.
I've seen it happen.
Hurry up and get me out of my.
They was trying to do me something dirty one time, but I was like, hey, look here, whoop de whoop. They asked me questions and I'm giving them everything they want to know. And I was able to walk away. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, they was being complete assholes. But they was looking for a reason to take you to jail.
Y'all middle name is. Y'all kids, he go to hell. They can die. Y'all the voodoo queen. Y'all somebody that do voodoo. Y'all
That explains it too.
But bitch, I got y'all. Come over the net. I got y'all. I got y'all. I swear to God, I do. Y'all fuck with somebody that do voodoo, and I'm not gonna do it.
Mom's ID, but that was attached to her person too, so everything's hers.
The bag is the mom's one. The ID that you have.
I don't. Everything that this is her.
Have you ever been here before?
No, I have not.
Let's help her out with that, please.
No, excuse me. I'm not. Can I corroborate with y'all?
Yes, you
For real. Let me
Man, they got all the cops out there.
Very nice.
I corroborate with y'all. I ain't never saw y'all. Let me corroborate with y'all. Okay. For real.
Oh, you thought acting the fool now?
No, you can carry me. Carry me. That's what I want y'all to do. Just carry me, please.
Stop.
I don't want him to touch me. Stupid.
Whatever else. Change her and then.
Let's go. We're going that way.
Don't drag me out this mug. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Stupid. Pick me up. That's what y'all do.
Look at that. Look how they dragging you.
That's what y'all do. Pick me up. Thank y'all. Pick me up and kiss my black.
That lady dumb as hell.
Yeah. Pick me the fuck up.
The suspect was arrested for unlawful possession of a firearm, resisting arrest, battery of an officer, and aggravated menacing. Her mother was arrested for obstructing justice, battery of an officer,
I thought that was a great grandmother.
and resisting arrest. The suspect's father and sister both received citations for obstructing justice. Let us know what you thought about this video in the comments.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Excuse me. And also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.